Hey guys, it is me, Simone. In this video, I'm going to show you what I use to store my dyes, and I hope this helps you guys out. So basically, hold on, let me just, here we go. Put the trash in the bag. Okay. Alright. So if you hear any noise in the background, I have a little girl that I'm watching in the back. So it's my god sister. So if you hear her talking or making noise or her beads, that's what's going on in the background. Alright, so I want to show you a cool way to get some affordable magnetic sheets. So I made a video about how I store my dyes. That is still applicable. I still use that same system. I get a basket from Dollar Tree. I use these 5x5 CD holders. Unless my dye is bigger, I do have the Avery Elle dye stamp sleeves that I use for my dyes, and certain stamps are much bigger than the what's it called, the 5.5 by 8.5 page shredders I use for my stamps. But I got those on sale. They were like 50% off, so I bought a couple of them, and then I bought the ones on the bigger sizes. But I've been really loving using this instead of what I used to use. I used to use magnetic tape from Walmart. I think it was roughly $2 to $4 for a roll, but it's very thin. I have a couple dyes here on my desk that have that in it. It's very thin tape. That's the true size of it here, and I just doubled up. So it got a little bit annoying to have it double up, and I was kind of scared. I wanted to use it as sparingly as possible because I didn't want to keep running back to the store and buying some more. What I did like about this tape though is it's pretty strong, and so the magnetic pull affects both sides, because I do put dyes in on both sides. I know a lot of people do not. I do, because I don't want to have to buy, you know, double the amount of pocket sleeves when they all can fit back to back. Like, there's no issues. So with that being said, what do I use now? I use this magnetic roll. I ended up finding this magnetic roll when I was trying to look for a cheaper magnetic sheet. A lot of people were recommending getting the vent covers, but after a while I thought that was a little too a little too expensive, to keep buying those. So I was so happy when I fell across this thing. I got this off of eBay. This is 12 inches by 2 feet. And it was only $13.89. They have other listings online on eBay. That one I saw was like 12 inches by 5 feet, and it was $17 and some change. So the pricing are really good. I wish I got the $17 one, but at the time I was kind of on a tight budget, so I could only afford this one, and I had to scrap a little bit of cash to get this one. But what I love about this is when I'm storing my dyes in here, or even in the ones for my stamps, I store all my dyes and stamps together. That my coordinating dyes and stamps stay together. So let me show you this. So here's all my, okay, so this is a stamp set that I have, and on the back is a magnetic sheet. I love this. I can cut it any size I want to, and it fits, you know, everything I needed with no issues. For me to try to do this with these little magnetic tape strips would have been annoying. So I love I can cut it to any size I need it to be with no issues. So that's something I've been dying like excited about, like super excited about, because it works so well with no issues. Put that up. So I love this. You get a lot of tape. Now the only thing I said I don't really like about this, hold on. Okay. Throw this away. Sorry. Alright, the only thing I don't really like is that it's not that strong on the back side. So if you do what I do and you put your dyes on both sides, you would have to glue a magnet to both sides. That's the only thing. I have tried taking this thing off. You can take the white it's like a vinyl material. You can take that off if you want to. It works pretty fine, but it's a lot of effort. You don't want to do that. And of course, you're going to need your own adhesive to glue this down. I just use double-sided tape. I either use the one I get from scrapbook.com, which works amazing, or I use the one I got from Scrapbooking Made Simple, which works fine. I can't talk now. But that is literally it. This is the affordable way that affordable magnet sheets that I use. And of course, I have series going on my channel about how I'm storing my dies, how I'm inventorying them, and everything like that. So if you want to know how I'm organizing and inventorying my dies, I'll leave that link below for you guys. And I think that sums up everything. I hope and pray that this video was helpful to you guys. I had a lot of fun making this short video and having to record because of the little girl behind me. But I will talk to you later, guys. Have a great day. Bye. Get crafty.